Certification exams use .vce files to simulate tests. The official software is expensive, but there are ways to view the questions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look at the options. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional VCE file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. When we speak of file architecture, VCE is specifically built upon the data file type. Its design is explicitly rooted in the Visual CertExam Suite exam file standard. The VCE file is a proprietary data format used by the Visual CertExam Suite software. It contains the complete content, structure, and answer keys for practice exams and certification tests. Its sole function is facilitating a simulated exam environment with high fidelity to official test formats. Developed by Avonset, the design rules are closed source and focus on integrity and secure distribution of intellectual property. The file structure is protected and only accessible through the Visual CertExam software to prevent users from viewing answers or content outside of the simulated test environment. If installed, your preferred program for VCE should be the Visual CertExam Suite application by Avonset. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your VCE file and choose Open With. Test with Visual CertExam Suite first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. If you still can't open the VCE file, it's okay. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, install VCE Simulator. Download and install the VCE Exam Simulator software from the official Vumingo website, as this is the required application. Next, login license. Log into your avonset.com account within the software, as the file content often requires a paid license for playback. Finally, open via Player. Click the .vce file, and it should open automatically in the VCE Player component of the simulator software. If your file is still inaccessible after testing, you need software capable of reading its contents without relying on the extension. This is the recommended path to try. Your best next step is File Magic. It opens almost every VCE file type and is available right now at filemagic.com. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing. Happy to have helped you out today.